Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. And yep, I'm fixing some goodies. Well, today is National Potato Chip Day. There's always something going on with the national. But I love potato chips. I eat it morning, noon, and night if I can. This is why I have a weight problem. It's because of potato chips. So I figure I gotta do something as much as I love potato chips. So I grabbed this 99-cent bag of potato chips and I figure, what can I make that people's gonna want for their tummy that loves potato chips? Potato chip cookies. It only takes 6 ingredients and it's not that hard to fix. So I'm gonna fix it for the first time. Come with me. Yummy, yummy for your tummy. If you love it, potato chips. Hit that footage. Okay, let me tell you the ingredients in the potato chip cookie. 2 sticks of butter. There's my butter. A 1/3 cup of sugar. There that go right here. Flour, that's in that black container. Potato chips. I'm going to use the 99-cent potato chips from Family Dollar. And they need to be crushed. Powdered sugar, that's for the coating on the top. And vanilla, that's for flavor. Quick and easy. Okay, let's get it going. Potato chips. I got 2 sticks of butter in here. And I'm going to take a 1/3 cup of sugar. Pour that in. And then I'm going to take this mixer. And I'm going to whip this sugar and butter until you see it's fluffy. Okay, I got my sugar and my butter mixed well until it's fluffy. I'm going to add 1 2/3 cup of flour and a teaspoon of vanilla, which is right there, into this bowl. Slowly. Okay, here's the dough. I got my vanilla in there. I got my sugar. I got my butter. I got my flour. Now I'm going to fold a cup of this into here. And you got to do it by hand and fold it. Then I'm going to place it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper about 2 inches apart. Let you see that before I throw it in the oven. I'm preheating that to 325 degrees. I got my rack together for the cooling, and I made my balls, and it looks like it's going to make 24 cookies. There's both of my trays. I think they're going to spread, so it's normally 2 inches apart. I made it maybe a little bit of 3, just in case they spread a little bit more. 325 degrees for about 20, maybe even 25 minutes until they're golden on the edge. This is like a buttery cookie, not very sweet, not salty. This would be great with something hot like a tea. And you could definitely taste the potato chips. Yummy.